Hi there, hope you are having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to host your website on GitHub Pages. So let's get started. Keep in mind it has to be a static website. It's not like a Python, Flux, or Django. We are just using plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I'm going to my vscode. This is my source code, and I want to upload this source code in my GitHub repository. So I have to create a GitHub repository first. Online commerce. Keep in mind, this repository must be a public, because if you want to host your website on GitHub Pages, your repository must be a public. All right. So I need to upload my source code here. So I'm going to my VS Code again. So git initial git add git commit source code added git branch main. Check. We have to copy this link, repository link, and paste here. Now we can push it. Git push origin main. So don't worry, sometimes it takes time, so we have to be patient. So right, if we refresh our repository, we can see everything is up to date. So no worries. Now only few more steps left. We have to go these setting options. Two pages. And select branches. This repository, we only have one branches. It's main branches, so I selected main branch and save. No worries, sometimes it takes time, So you have to wait for a while. So finally, this is our website link. If we visit our website, it looks like, so you can share your website. You can use it anywhere. So that's all for today. Thank you, everyone.